ERG Company Limited is a plating company with its head office and plant located within Tomioka Machine and Metal Industrial Park in Tomioka City of Gunma Prefecture. The company strives to ensure the thorough deployment of 5S methodology to prevent accidents, streamline operations, and prevent the contamination of products with foreign materials. Our company has won high appraisal from customers for our precision plating of small components. We carry out plating of a variety of products centered on electrical contacts for turning the power on and off in electrical equipment, including terminals, connectors, pins, coil springs, and plate springs. Components for products are diminishing in size and weight while growing in complexity in a variety of industrial fields, requiring technology for examining and establishing appropriate methods and conditions each time. Our products are used in a variety of fields, from automobiles to cameras, mobile devices, and trains. Examples include gold-plated coil springs found inside automobile door sensors to make sure they are closed properly, springs for transmitting vibrations in mobile phones, and charging terminals that connect batteries to phones. Let us give you a glimpse into how we carry out plating of such small components. This is plating being carried out using a method known as basket plating, and it is a photo taken in 1977. Plating is generally carried out using methods known as vat plating or barrel plating. The shapes of electrical contacts are sometimes conducive to interlocking, sticking, and tangling, and basket plating is the ideal way of plating such components. The advantages of basket plating are not limited to preventing the interlocking and sticking of components. Here is a line for plating products with blind holes. A blind hole is a hole that is drilled without breaking through to the other side. Connectors for connecting cables to electrical equipment often have such holes. The inside of the blind hole comes into contact with the cable, so there's also a need to plate the inside of the hole. We excel in inner plating for doing this. In inner plating of products with blind holes, we can carry out plating to depths approximately 10 times the diameter of the hole. In the case of a pipe-shaped product, we can plate to depths of approximately 100 times the diameter of the hole. Precision plating involves numerous processes depending on the shapes of products. Around 80% of the quality of plating is determined by the pre-treatment. Acid, alkali, and cyanogen are the main chemicals used during pre-treatment. The people in charge must keep a close eye on the product and check each time for any changes to its color or the way it repels water and so on. In other words, verification by people plays an important role in ensuring quality. These are automated production lines at number 1 plant. Here, small but not microscopic products measuring less than 30 millimeters squared are handled. Plating is carried out while rotating the barrel. There are 4 automated production lines, including 1 copper-nickel tin line, 2 copper-nickel lines, and an electroless nickel line. They allow the efficient plating of huge quantities of products. Some of the products handled by these automated production lines are also prone to interlocking, sticking, and tangling. For such products, manual pre-treatment is carried out on line A, as with microscopic products, and in recent years, more products are being pre-treated manually by people while plating is carried out automatically. With this kind of meticulous attention paid to quality, ERG has won a reputation among customers as being experts in handling products prone to interlocking, sticking, and tangling. Precision components plated by our company are used in the products of industries involved in semiconductors, telecommunications, automobiles, and trains. Inspections are carried out to not only avoid defects, but also prevent contamination with fibers, hair, and so on. There is a component known as a contact probe used in energizing tests of semiconductor devices, printed circuit boards, and so on. With a growing tendency over the years toward miniaturization of components, probes too have become smaller and narrower. The smallest plungers are microscopic components with tips that come into contact with the printed circuit board measuring 72 micrometers in diameter, while the springs inside them have diameters of only 52 micrometers and are made from wire measuring 13 micrometers in diameter. Even such microscopic components are inspected for plating defects. ERG strives in R&D with the aim of further advancing technologies aimed at the future. New technologies and results achieved here are then fed back to the actual products of customers. This department is indispensable in our effort to provide advanced technologies at all times. In 2019, ERG won the New Value Creation Award at the New Value Creation exhibition sponsored by the Organization for Small and Medium Enterprises and Regional Innovation for being a company with the potential to create new value and apply it to new fields. By making use of our strengths in precision plating, we will strive to further miniaturize components such as contact probes and aim to expand into the future growth fields of medicine and aerospace. The name ERG comes from the German word ergänzen, meaning to complete. It is also an abbreviation of the words echt, meaning real, rationell, meaning efficient, and Glanz, meaning radiance. Technologies are honed by people, and they lead to the creation of new value. ERG places people first in realizing greater happiness for employees and customers alike, and our corporate philosophy is to contribute to the creation of a better society.